Vridivej Finance has given a few IPOs GMP prophecy, which comes even true, where we have mentioned and GMP offers with discount offers. And yes, it has touched few points we have missed out, but you can see our GMP video, and very soonly we will give you combined video where you can see the August IPOs has launched their GMP on the day one we have given, and that becomes true. Yes, we are thankful the people who had just disliked our video, because some of them came true in case of GMP. We are guiding to our investors so they can invest into the market and understand the market, as well as they grow their money according to their plan. Dear investors, there are many things is happening in the stock exchange, and yes, absolutely Vridivej Finance is not going to talk about delisting, but delisting is a part of business and listing is also part of business. So this time we are not talking about bankruptcy and all, but Vridivej Finance want to tell you, if you are going to invest into the market and suppose that it's the company and which is at a high and unexpectedly it got been bankrupt, then what? So you should invest it, and before investing you can do the study further. Yes, absolutely, dear investors. In the year of 2021, there are a number of IPOs has came and hit to the stock market. That's the reason market is at up right now. Not only that, but there are a number of companies is going to bankrupt. You can see in the futures, probably within 2 years, where the brand names are available. See, listing of IPO and delisting the company in share is just a process. So in and out of IPO or in and out into the stock market is a part. Okay, so we are talking right now because everyone says that right now the market is booming. There are a number of investors has came, they wanted to invest it, so that's the reason we are talking about delisting the company, and listing the company is a part of for the stock exchange, and it is a process where investors should invest it and grow their money, but it is your own choice where you wanted to invest it. Anyways, we are right now introducing Vijaya Diagnostic Center Limited IPO, and yes, we are focusing little thing about this IPO. This is one of the diagnostic center again IPO, and this company is based in Hyderabad. Welcome to Vridivej Finance. We are talking about Vijaya Diagnostic Center Limited. This company was registered on 5th June 2002, where they have did again registration from private limited to the limited in the year of 2021, where they have named as from private limited to the limited Vijaya Diagnostic Center Limited. On 26 March 2021 they got a new certificate. So we are talking, this company is providing one-stop solution for pathology and radiology testing services. Their customers are extensive operational network. They have a consisting diagnostic center, 11 referral laboratories across 13 cities and towns. So state of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, National Capital Region and Kolkata. In the till 30 June 2021, they are offering comprehensive range of approximately 740 routine and 870 specialized pathology tests, and approximately 220 and 320 advanced radiology tests. Covers range of specialist disciplines as of June 30, 2021. The test menu includes pathology tests ranging basic biochemistry, clinical pathology to cytogenic and high in molecular diagnostic test, and radiology is ranging from basic endocardiogram, X-ray and ultrasound to advanced radiology tests including computerized tomographic CT scan and magnetic resonance imaging MRI scan, a single photon emission computed tomographic SPECT, and advanced positron emission tomographic, that is PET-CT. Our diagnostic center provides a medical professional team consisting 74 laboratories, doctors, 90 physicians, 105 radiologists, 1027 well-trained technical staff in our operational network till 2021 June 30. And this laboratory is accredited board testing calibration according laboratories NABL. 3 diagnostic center hold patients safety and quality of care NABH. The registrar office is at Himatnagar, Hyderabad 500029 Telangana. For further information you can log on there vijayadiagnostic.com. Yes, their corporate office is 63883 ground floor F, Family Planning Association India, Panjagutta, Hyderabad 500082. Riddhivesh Finance gives the detail of IPO of Vijay for Vijaya Diagnostic Center, where this IPO opening date will be the 1st September 2021. IPO closing date will be 3rd September 2021. Issue type is book build issue. Face value will be 1 rupees per equity share. IPO pricing is band between 522 to 531 per equity share. Market lot size will be 28 shares per lot. Minimum order quantity will be 28 shares per lot. Listing at NSE and BSE. IPO opening date will be 1st. Basically this basis of allotment date will be 8 September 2021. Initiation of refund will happen on 9th September 2021. Credit of share to your Demat account will happen on 13th September 2021, and IPO listing date will be 14th September 2021. Riddhivesh Finance gives a prediction about IPO subscription, but before that we are going to tell you something about this company. This company is having Doctors Lab Medical Services Private Limited, Medinova Diagnostic Service Private Limited, Medinova Millennium MRI Service LLP is available with them, Namrata Diagnostic Center Private Limited, VDC Diagnostic Karnataka LLP. These are their group of company. Yes, this IPO pre-issue holding will be 59.78%, where post-issue shareholding will be 54.78%. Yes, dear investors, you can apply for one lot, which gives 28 shares, and amount in INR will be 14,868 only. If you apply maximum 13 lot, and the number of share will be 368, where the amount will be 1,93,284 rupees only in INR. Yes, dear investors, Riddhivesh Finance gives you basically the subscription prediction if it is happen. Yes, in case it happen, we are expecting subscription band between 25% to 55%. Yes, and please keep watch on Grey Market Strategy. We will update you the GMP date, GMP, as well as we will tell you this whether our subscription will become true or not. Hey investors, choice is yours whether you wanted to invest into the market. And thank you by Riddhivesh Finance, but we are here focusing, if you see this Vijaya Diagnostic company, they are having really strong partners, like they are having corporate partners, they are having the partners which is from the government sectors too. So if you are talking about, then we can talk about this company is really maybe it's a fast growing company, we can say, but this company can gives you good returns. For example, their partners is L&T, NABARD, ONGC, Power Grid, RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, SBI, SpiceJet, USB, Vodafone, Pfizer, Accenture, Air India, Bank of Baroda, Blue Star, Broadbridge, Cognizant, Deolite, Dr. Reddy's, Union Bank of India, Tata Consultancy Services, AT&T, BHEL, BHEL, that is HP, IFB, Invesco. Yes, these are their major partners. So absolutely, in case if you see their websites, they have a lot of information about it and their actual details on corporate wellness. So in that case, we can say yes, medical sector is a evergreen sector. If you really wanted to invest it, and if you think about this company will gives you good returns, then we can say yeah, you can get a good returns when basically after listing you can also invest it if you are a small investor. And if you really wanted to invest into the IPOs, then you can apply during their IPO issue opening date. If you see that 80 diagnostic center and counting, 200 professional, 13 cities across India, 250 corporates client and counting, 50 million customer and counting, over 40 years of experience, 40 plus years of experience. Yes, dear investors, Vriddhi Veg Finance will gives you more detail after the subscription and before the listing also. So keep watch. We will update you very soonly, dear investor. We have launched our new segment that is about NASDAQ, and we are publishing into the US market, and absolutely this is coming also true. You can watch it in our playlist too. Good night, have a great day. Bye, Vriddhi Veg Finance.